Hi, it's Ville Teikko here. Today I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts to Divi. For those new to Divi, it's in my opinion the best WordPress page builder available, as it lets you customize your theme and page templates without touching any code. While it does support Google Fonts, adding your own custom work fonts is more complicated and the advice on the internet can be somewhat confusing. In this video, I will go through a few different methods you can use and show you step by step what I think is the best way to go. But before we jump into my computer, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you will know when I post more videos like this. Let's look at the first method, which is Divi's built-in upload tool. In order to access it, open the Divi page editor and settings for any module that has text on it. Under the Design tab, find a section that has font styling options. Under the font drop-down menu, you will find an upload button. Within this pop-up, you can create a custom font by uploading a font file. Even though it says choose font files, it doesn't actually let you upload more than one file at a time. I'm not sure if this is intended to work like this or just a bug. Please let me know in the comments if you know better. The problem with this is that if you want to upload bold, italic or other weights, you would have to name them as separate font families. Let's upload one anyway to show you how this works. In here, I have a custom font with different weights. So I will just upload the regular weight by dragging it here, and we'll name it Berg & Sons and hit upload. Now that it has been uploaded, I can select that font in the font drop-down menu. It will also show up in the theme customizer. We reload this and navigate back to general settings, typography. I can see that newly added font appear here. But we have the same problem with this one. If I want to change the, let's change the body font in the Berg & Sons. So all the bold and italic on this one, it's forced by CSS and not using the custom files that actually come with that font. As far as I'm concerned, this method is useless unless you just want to change a very specific thing like your heading style or add one-off custom font in the builder for some reason. The next method is using a Divi child theme, uploading the font files by FTP and loading them inside your custom CSS file. This way you can add multiple weights and styles under the same font family. The problem with this method is that they will not show up under your theme customizer and you will have to override any fonts manually using CSS. Most advice online tells you to do custom fonts this way, so I'm not going to explain it any further. What I am going to show you is a far better solution that also requires a child theme, but will actually get your fonts showing up in the fonts list inside Builder and Theme Customizer. You will need to add a little code to your child theme's functions.php, but I will leave a link below where you can copy and paste it in. I will also leave a link to a simple Divi child theme you can download and an online web font generator where you can simply upload your custom font files and have it generate a web font kit with CSS file you can upload to your themes folder. We are now inside my Divi child theme folder where I've already uploaded my custom fonts into the web fonts folder. Inside functions.php, just copy and paste the code snippet somewhere before the closing PHP tag. I've already added one here. I'm just going to remove the comments. This line here is loading the web font CSS files inside the folder you have uploaded. So make sure you change that accordingly. The next bit here is hooking into Divi's function where the standard web fonts are added to the font dropdown. What we're doing here is creating a new array with our own web fonts and adding it in with the standard fonts. Make sure you change the font name to match what you have in your kit CSS file and include the necessary weights and styles. In this example, we're adding two weights 400 for regular and 700 for bold, and same with the italic styles. If you want to add multiple fonts, just add 2 items inside the array like this, and this other one would become your second font. I'm having just one, so let's remove that and save the file. Let's go back to the theme customizer, reload it, and navigate back to general settings typography, and we should be seeing this newly added font in the drop-down menu. I can then change it to the body copy. It shows up here. Let's do the same for headers, but use the bold. And that's it, simple as that. Just publish the changes. And a little tip, if you are not going to use any Google fonts in your theme, you can turn them off completely under Divi theme options. In here, use Google fonts, just disable that. That's what I've done here. If you have Google fonts enabled, you would actually have to scroll down quite a bit, because your custom font will appear after Google fonts and before the standard web fonts in the drop-down menu. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you know when I post more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.